Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for something to help you sleep at night, I have just the thing for you. This is an essential oil blend from Young Living. It's called Dream Catcher. So right there, the name tells you that you will be dreaming in no time when you use this essential oil for sleep support. It's actually a blend of like 17 different essential oils that otherwise would cost a fortune if you bought them on their own. So this is a really great way to save some money and get all the benefits from those really luxurious essential oils in one bottle. And it's also just very calming, very grounding and relaxing. It smells really nice. It has a very herby aroma, and if you see, I'll show you a drop. It has like a really nice dark color. You can also apply it like on yourself for that relaxing effect, which is really nice. I personally like to diffuse this at bedtime. This is a really strong essential oil, so you just need one or two drops. A little bit goes a long way with this one, and I like to also mix it with orange just to sweeten up the herby smell. So if you're looking for some sleep support, I highly recommend this essential oil blend from Young Living, Dream Catcher. I think you'll really like it, but that's just my point of view.